Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my Obia wash day. I will be using the shampoo bar, the hair mask, and their leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I tried the Neem tree shampoo bar. It was very cleansing. It wasn't stripping. My hair was left soft and manageable. So it's a very good shampoo. This is my first time using a bar and I kind of like it. So I'm going to follow up with the Babassu Therapy hair mask. This product doesn't have a strong scent. It virtually has no scent. It is very thick and creamy, but it has a lot of slip. So I'm going to start off by just applying this throughout my hair, just slathering it on really good. And I say slather, it looks like I'm using a lot, but I'm really not. This product has a lot of slip. A little goes a long way. So I'm just taking my time, making sure I get it throughout my hair and yeah, making sure every strand gets a little bit of this product. So after applying it throughout my hair, I'm going to start to section it off to start to make sure I get it on all my strands as well as finger detangle. So I have my hair in a particular section right now. I'm just applying more product where needed, and I am going through and detangling. And as you can see, it is separating like butter. My tangles are just melting away. So this is a really good product. A little bit about it, it has Babassu oil, it has rosemary essential oils, and olive oil in it. So it's a good nourishing hair mask. All right, so I've got that section detangled. I'm gonna go through one more time to make sure I got all of my knots out. And again, my hair is separating with ease. There are no tangles in this section. All right, so I'm gonna put that section away. I'm going to finish the rest of my head. Just detangling and sectioning it away with my scrunchie. I've done with the section and now I'm going to make sure I get product on my edges. Got to take care of those edges, y'all. All right, so this is my hair with the deep conditioner applied in 3 sections. I'm going to let this sit for 20 minutes with this cap on as well as my hot head cap. All right, so this is my hair with the therapy mask rinsed out. My hair, again, soft, manageable, just really feeling really nice. So now I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner. This is the Curl Moisture Cream. It's pretty much just like the hair mask. Very little scent. It's thick. It's creamy. It's very moisturizing. And as soon as I apply it to my hair, it's just melting right in. So I'm going to take my hair in those same 3 sections that I use with the hair mask, and I'm going to start detangling it and applying product. Again, a lot of slip. My hair is separating with ease and there's no breakage from the detangling. It is all good. I really like this product. I can tell that I'm going to get days and days of moisture from this leave-in. And that's something that's really important for a leave-in. You want a product that's going to moisturize your hair for days after you've applied it. That's really important. All right, so I'm going to go in now with my detangling brush to make sure I get all the tangles out. As you can see, that brush is sliding through. I have no tangles. All right, now I'm going to start putting my 2-strand twist in. And before I start twisting, I'm going to make sure all my hair, my strands have the products from the root to the end. All right, so I'm just 2-strand twisting it. And so what I've been doing this winter is I've been sealing my ends. I'm going to seal my ends with the Tropical Owl Pomade. This is some good stuff. It's very good. It seals in the moisture for at least 5-6 days. So I'm just going to apply this to my ends. And look at that twist. It is so juicy. It's bouncy. Like I said, I know I'm going to get good results. If I don't get good definition that lasts, I'm definitely going to have moisture that's going to last me at least 6 days. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat this process throughout my hair, just installing the 2-strand twist and sealing my ends with the Tropical Owl Jamaican Black Castor Oil Pomade. I'll link the products in my description. Okay, so these are my twists. I'm going to let them dry overnight and I will be back in the morning. All right, this is the next day. I'm just taking my twist out. My hair is not completely dry. It's a little bit damp, so I'm not going to do much separating. I'm just going to fan out each section and just kind of let my curls do what they're going to do. You can see my hair is bouncy. It's soft, it's manageable, it is hydrated. It's feeling real good. I got definition, but most of all, I got moisture. And I really wasn't expecting a lot of definition. I really got these products for the moisture. So I feel like I accomplished my goal using these. These are definitely keepers. The products are vegan and cruelty free. So now I'm just diffusing a little because my hair is not completely dry, and these are my results. Juicy, juicy curls. Yeah, I didn't do much fluffing. I didn't do any picking. I just did light separating, and these are my final results. Cool. And y'all, this is day 3 hair. I still got some definition, but most of all, my hair is really, really moist. These products are a keeper. If you haven't tried Obia Naturals, I suggest you do. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.